Today I am going to speak about different types of interviews. Now, the interviews that we will be considering are in the corporate context, not the social kind of or the media kind of interviews. Interviews are not only for the purpose of selection. There are numerous occasions where interviews are conducted, and not only purpose but the manner in which interviews are conducted are also different if you consider the purpose or the reason why interviews are conducted. In the interview, usually there is a person or a panel of persons who conduct interview, and there is a candidate or a person who is being interviewed. Of course, interviews for selection is one major area that we all are interested to understand. But once you join the organization, till you leave the organization, there can be numerous occasions. At various times, you might be participating in the interview, maybe conducting the interview or appearing for the interview. Many organizations, as part of their appraisal system, as the selection process, and later for assessment, use interviews that provides face-to-face dialogue. Sometimes there are problem situations, and for counseling purpose, for guidance, to understand the situation, problem interviews might be conducted. It provides chance for both parties to develop clear understanding about the situation. And if there really is a problematic situation, maybe a solution can be found out before the problem becomes a crisis. Also, you will find that not only in a situation of problems, but for a pleasant decision of promoting somebody, the interview is conducted. This promotional interview can partially be for assessment and selection also. During promotional interviews, maybe discussion on both sides takes place, where clarity about the new role, additional responsibilities, expectations, and willingness to take on this type of additional tasks to carry out these new responsibilities is checked, judged, informed, and maybe it helps in finalizing the decision on both sides to promote or not to promote, to accept or not to accept the offer in the organization. When people are leaving the organization, maybe due to retirement, maybe by resigning from the organization, it is possible to conduct interviews. The new management thought process focuses on such type of exit interviews. One reason is the person who is leaving the organization feels good that somebody is asking for their opinions regarding various policies or procedures or practices followed in the organization. So it is a kind of goodwill gesture. Also, it is beneficial to get truthful feedback, because a person who is leaving the organization may give the right kind of information, as they do not feel that their frank opinions will have any repercussions on their future career. And such type of sometimes negative opinions are not expressed by people, though they feel certain problems in some of the practices. And so this might represent many other people who probably have not given accurate feedback for some of the changes that happened in the organization. You will find that majority of the interviews, when they are conducted, panel members try to help the candidate to settle down, to feel comfortable and give best performance. But there are special type of interviews that are called as stress interviews. These interviews are conducted in a different manner, which puts more pressure on the candidate. The reason why this type of interview is conducted is because the person is to carry on situations, carry on a type of job where stress levels are high, and they want to find out how the person can deal with stress. If when stress is there, the candidate is able to perform reasonably well, then the person is selected. And if under pressure the candidate is not able to perform well, then such candidate is not considered as suitable to work in such situations that demand ability to withstand high stress levels. But most of the interviews are for the selection purpose. Majority of the interviews are physical, face-to-face contacts. But nowadays, technology is also being used, and we come across many video conferences or interviews conducted through video calls. Also, there can be multiple types of interviews that are conducted, such as technical interviews, behavioral interviews, and the focus is to evaluate candidates on certain aspects, certain characteristics, certain aptitudes. Also, you will find that there can be distinct levels, preliminary interview, final interview, before people are appointed or selected in the organization. If there is a panel which conducts interviews, maybe there are experts like subject expert, behavioral expert, and they are trying to find out suitability of candidate from different perspectives and different angles. And so, conducting the interview requires lot of planning, lot of efforts, as well as the candidate needs to be aware about the purpose behind appearing for the interview and prepare well accordingly. So, the interview, which is a dialogue interview, which provides a chance to ask pertinent questions and get answers that reveal difference in the abilities, attitudes, knowledge and skill of people, is a tool that is used by all the organizations right from selection throughout the passage of career till they leave the organization. And so it is important that you should be aware of the distinction and the distinct approaches that are required to become proficient in dealing with them. Thank you.